Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sona Says. Or should I say welcome back? Or should I welcome myself back because I have been absent for so long? Actually, I was busy with some personal and family issues, and also I have a 9 to 5 job. So I was quite a bit engaged, but now I'm back. And today, in this video, this is a contact lenses try on video. So I'm going to show you the different types of contact lenses that I am using right now. And of course, all of them are colored lenses because I am a huge fan of colored contact lenses. Also, before moving ahead, I want to ask you guys, how do you like my new hairstyle? I wanted to have short hair from such a long time. Okay, now let's move ahead and go on. The lenses that I am wearing right now, these are from Aqualens that I bought from Lenskart a few days back, and this color is called Mystery Hazel, and this is a monthly disposable lens, and it comes in one lens per box packing, and this one I got for 446 rupees a pair. That is quite cheap. So let me tell you about these aqua lenses that this is quite comfortable, but the only problem is that my eyes tend to get a bit dry after a little while, like after say 3 to 4 hours they tend to get a bit dry. Otherwise they're perfectly fine. I've taken off the lens from one of my eyes so that you can see the difference. You can see the different actually I don't have natural light now right now because it's night time, so you have to make do with this. So this is like this, my face looks like this without the lenses and with the lenses. I think this particular color is going to suit everyone, all skin tones, right from the dark ones to fair ones, everything. Hazel is a very versatile, I mean, it's a very nice color which suits everyone. So let's move on to our next one. This is the next pair that we have is okay. This is also from Aqualens. This is the color Pretty Purple. So let me wear them. I'll show you how they look. So these are my next pair. These I already told you these. This color is called Pretty Purple. These are also from Aqualens. Let me take a close up so that you can see the view. Close up view. And I bought them a few days back from Lenskart, and they are pretty cheap, pretty affordable, and the color is, it looks quite natural, not something very extraordinary. So I like them. This color is also going to suit dark skinned people and fair people and people with my complexion, British complexion. So let's move on to the next pair. The next ones that I have on are from Olens, and this is called Russian Velvet in the shade grey. Let me show you close-up view. Can you see how natural they look? They look so natural because they do not have the outer black circle in them. And let me tell you about the comfort. They are so comfortable and so soft. It's like wearing nothing. You can feel nothing in your eyes. And I cannot tell you how it feels once you wear them for longer hours because I haven't worn them for longer hours. These lenses are a bit expensive. They cost rupees 1290 a pair, and these are monthly disposable. And I won this particular pair through a giveaway which was conducted on the Instagram page. The next pair that I have on is called, the color is called Calypso Green. Let me give you a closer look. So it looks something like this. This pair is from the brand called Celebrations, and I bought them from Lenskart. And these are really disposable. They are quite comfortable. I can wear them for long hours. They don't get dry in my eyes. They don't make my eyes feel dry. And these colors are so natural. I mean, anyone can wear them. They don't look something very extraordinary or something very dramatic. So even in natural light, since I do not have natural light now, I cannot show you, but even in natural light they look so good and so natural. So the ones that I have on, this is going to be the last pair for today. And first of all, let me give you a close view of these. Can you see them? Can you see the color? I mean, this is very quite dramatic. Like if you want a dramatic change to your look, you can try these. This color is called this is in sky blue color, and this is from the brand Acme. This is called Acme 38 three-tone color, and these come in one lens per box packaging. And I bought this particular pair from a website called lenssmart.in. I'll be providing links in the description box below. And this pair costed me only 1040 rupees. They were having a very huge discount on their website, so I bought them and I got them for only 1040 rupees. These are yearly disposable and quite comfortable. So if you're thinking of buying a pair of colored contact lenses, just go ahead and buy. You can select from natural looking lenses to the dramatic ones, which will change your look completely, give you a makeover. Just go ahead. And let me tell you guys, I have one little surprise for you. Yes. Just let me show you something. Ta-da! So that was a wig that I was wearing. It was not my natural hair, because I was thinking of cutting my hair short, but I was also a little bit of apprehensive as to how I would look. So I did not cut my hair even though I wanted to. So someone suggested me, why not try out a wig? Why didn't I get the idea before? I wonder. But I just went ahead and bought this wig because I got it at a very affordable price, and this was quite good as my first wig, because I didn't want to spend much on a wig, because I had no idea how it would look on me, how I would use it. I was like completely blank. So there was someone called Wig Consult. They had advised me, suggested me on what kind of wig I should go for, and they have given me very valuable suggestions. So if you also want to give wigs a try, I'll be providing the email ID below, and you can contact the person and you'll be guided correctly. So if you like this video and found this helpful, do give it a thumbs up and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because very soon I'm planning to do a giveaway. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'll be providing my ID below. Bye for now. We shall meet very soon.